Hello, today I'm going to be providing you with a short tutorial on how to get Unity set up on the StudioX computers. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the StudioX folder on the desktop and open up the Unity Hub. After the Unity Hub opens, you'll be prompted to sign in with a username and password. If you are using Unity as part of a class, you will likely have an email and password already provided for you. If you are unable to locate these, please talk to whoever is currently working at the desk in StudioX, and they should be able to provide them to you. If you're not part of a class, go ahead and create a free account using your own email. Once you sign in, the Unity Hub will load. Once the Unity Hub opens, you'll be asked to locate a Unity editor. We have these saved on the computers already. What you need to do is click on this PC, go to the D drive, click on Unity, click on the Unity install that you want. Then you scroll down and select unity.exe. Finally, just select Agree and Get Personal Edition License. From this point, you are ready to start making projects in Unity. If you would like to create a new project, select New Project and select the settings that you want for your project. If you are looking to open an existing project, for example, a template that is provided to you for a class, first off, you need to download the zip file. After you've downloaded the zip file, extract it to a place on your computer. I'm going to extract it to the desktop to easily find it again later. Go ahead and click Extract. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of the folder. It also might not pop up with this window right away, as you can see. Once it starts extracting, you should be good. You just need to wait until it has completed. After the zip file has finished extracting, you'll be left with a single folder that represents your Unity project. Within this folder, there are a couple other files and folders that relate to the items in the Unity project. Be aware that depending on how you extracted the zip file, there may be folders that are similarly named. Your Unity project is the folder that contains these other folders such as assets, project settings, and things like that. So just make sure that you're using the correct folder after extracting. To open this in Unity, click Open and navigate to that folder that you have just extracted. Go ahead and click Open, and the file will open in Unity. This may take another moment. Now that it has finished opening in Unity, you are ready to start working on your project. As a final note, please be aware that any of the work done on StudioX computers will not be saved after the computers are shut down or a user has logged out. Please be sure to save your work on an external hard drive or in a Google Drive folder so that it can be accessed from another computer or at a later time. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope that it has been helpful.